Excuse me, ma'am. Anong quote mo for today?
Hi, hello. Ang quote natin for today is about bahala na system, which is ito'y talaga yung ah, ugali natin, tradisyon na ugali ng Filipino. Well, depende naman sa sitwasyon. Pero para sa mga negosyante, ang bahala na ay napaka-dangerous mindset. Pag negosyante ka talaga. Bakit? Dahil ang business needs planning, hindi pwedeng bahala na. Hindi pwedeng bahala na. Kailangan meron siyang planning at kung sa customer naman dapat meron consistency and hindi puwedeng puro excuses, bahala na 'yan. Hindi puwede. Dapat meron siyang action kasi consistent dapat ang expectation ng customer mo. And hindi rin puwedeng bahala na sa finances kasi in business, finances requires discipline na puwede na 'yan, 'di ba? And also, sa business, ang leadership niya ay meron dapat accountability. Hindi puwedeng i-blame mo sa iba, 'di ba? So, if you leave things to chance, you risk losing clients. Kaya damaging your reputation and missing opportunities for growth. Kaya hindi puwedeng bahala na. Kasi daming mawawala na opportunities sa'yo. Remember, success doesn't come from luck. It comes from action, smart system, and clear strategies. So next time you're tempted to say bahala na, remind yourself. If you remember, you are the architect of your business. You are in control of your success. Let's stop relying on chance and start building with your purpose. I'm Rosalie Dagsa. I'm here to help you grow your business with strategy, not luck. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.